Welcome, gang. It's your girl QuiQui, and I'm back with another what video. So today, you guys, today, I'm gonna be cooking today, y'all. Y'all ain't never seen me cook. Y'all can see me cook this time. So I'm gonna be cooking some mushroom chicken, y'all. I love mushroom chicken. I seen it on TikTok. This would be my third time making it, so it's actually really, really good. So let me show y'all what I got. Okay, so we got the mushroom. We got the whipping cream. This is sunflower oil. I don't know if y'all tried it before, but it's really good. I have cream of mushroom. I got my spinach. And this is the chicken, all seasoned up so nicely. And then don't ever forget your chicken broth. Okay, so yeah, let's get into this lovely dinner tonight. All right, you guys. So first thing. All right, first thing we're going to do is I'm going to fry my chicken. Okay, you don't need no flour on this chicken. You're just going to put the oil in there, let the oil get hot, and then put your chicken in there, okay? So let's get it to it. So I got my stove on, and then we're going to go ahead and pour the oil. And it don't take much oil. Alright, that should be enough oil. So we're gonna let that get hot, and then I'll be back. Okay, so let me put this chicken in here. All right, so we're gonna let this chicken cook. Ooh. All right, now it's time to flip the chicken over. Ooh. It looks so good. Okay, y'all, so I'm back. So here's the chicken. The chicken is all done. I did put a little butter here to get up some of that seasoning. And then I'm about to put my onions in here. Let them saute. Put my mushrooms in here. Just turn it down some. I love onions. So we're gonna let that saute for a little bit. And then let me go grab my spinach. All right, so while that's cooking, I'm gonna throw this spinach up in here. All right, so I'm gonna let that cook for a minute, and then I will be back. All right, so next we're gonna put some cream of mushroom in here. That's one. I'm gonna put about 2 of them in here. So I'm gonna put the other one in here. I'm gonna show y'all. Hold on. Show y'all what it's gonna look like. Whoop, whoop. Hold on, baby. See? Woo! It looks so good. Alright, so let me go ahead and put my chicken broth in here. What, baby? What? Hmm? Can Mama finish cooking? Yes. What? Hold on, hold on, hold on. Let me put this stuff up in here. Okay? All right? Give Mama a minute. Okay, let me add my chicken in here. Let's see this piece of chicken. What? Alright, so we're gonna let this sit for a minute. What? And then don't forget to add your whipping cream. You don't have to put that much whipping cream in here. Woo! Yeah, I'm gonna put a little bit of whipping cream in here. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Yeah? Okay. My bad, you guys. My bad. Alright, so let me let this sit here and let it saute, let it simmer all in together. Baby, what are you doing? What are you doing? Why did you even touch it? See, I can't even cook. Wait, I gotta find the top. Alright, so woo, let's just let that cook. And I will be back when it's done. Alright, you guys, I'm back. Everything is done. The only thing I cook. Baby, shh. Can I do my video? Hold on. Give me one more minute. Baby. Come on. Come on. Because I'm trying to finish the video. Alright. So, the food is done. All I made was the mushroom chicken and the rice. So, I'm going to have to put you down so they can see the... I love you. Can I put you down right quick? Come on, I got to show them the food. Okay, come on. want some candy? Okay, we'll get that. Work every time. But here y'all go. Ooh! Girl, you know it. And then here come my rice. And then I need to make the plate. I'll be back with the plate. All right, so here's my food. I was gonna make some other kind of vegetable. Hey, baby, I'm talking. I was gonna make some other kind of vegetables, but I mean, I think the spinach and the onions and the mushrooms, like, that's all you need. But yep, so look at it. Yes. And I got some rice. So yeah, so all right, so that would be the end of my vlog. Hold on, okay, come on. So that would be the end of me cooking my mushroom chicken. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and turn that notification and hit that bell for my notification. And y'all enjoy the rest of your day. Tell them, say bye.
Bye.
Okay.
Bye. Oh, bye. Bye.
Okay, say bye.